Hi, I'm Kay with Tupperware, and I have for you today the terrific trio. We start with our all-in-one shaker, our all-in-one mate, and our mix and store. They work together or they work separately. Let's start with this one first. I'm gonna make lemon pound cake for my husband. It's his favorite. So to do that, I need to juice a lemon. So I juice my lemon on here and it goes down. There's a little sieve there that catches all the seeds and extra, but you can see the juice went down into the bottom. All right, now I'm going to mix it in the mix and store because I may not make it today, I may make it tomorrow. So I take my lemon juicer off, and the measuring cup said I had 1/4 of a cup, and that's what I needed, so I put it in there. Now I need just an egg yolk. So this is the egg separator. It makes it so easy. You separate it, the white's down in the bottom, and the yolk stays, and I pour it right in with my mix and stir. Now, down the road, I need zest for a lemon also. So I've already used those two items, but I need a clean surface. So this also fits on top of the shaker. So I take the lemon I've already used, or a new lemon, whatever, and I grate it, and you'll see the grate, you can see the lemon there. I can wipe it with my finger on the top and bottom, get how much ever I need, punch a little bit of it out, and there I have everything in there in my mix and store. So now I can mix everything else in it, put the lid on it to keep it secure and airtight. It also has a band on the bottom, so if I want to use my mixer down inside so that the batter doesn't splat everywhere, I can stick the mixer right down in there. And then I pop it in the refrigerator. If I want to use this for my lemon juice and for my egg separator, whatever, it has a measuring list on the side, and I can fill it up. I can make salad dressing in it, I can make a protein shake, whatever I might do. Just walk it around, airtight, no spill lid. Have a good day. If you have any Tupperware needs, give me a call.